Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. Today I am here in Erlangen. Hello everyone, this is Amratpal, founder of Amratpal Vision. Today I am here in Erlangen, Germany, and I'm standing here in FAU Erlangen, which is a university here in Germany, with my student Ramesh, who came to Germany in 2020, just before the lockdown. And he came here to do his master's in mechatronics, and that too in German thought program. So today I will be asking him regarding the ground level reality of studying here in Germany in German thought program, because there are many students who say that German thought program is not possible here in Germany, it's very difficult and that kind of stuff. So yes, he came here in 2020. He has tried other consultants, wasted 1 or 2 years of his important academic years, and then he contacted Amratpal Vision, and we got him here in Germany within 3 months. So we will be asking about his experience with Amratpal Vision also. And yes, the most important thing is I am on a world tour where I will be covering 100 plus universities of the world where my students are studying, where the students of Amratpal Vision are studying. So be with me and subscribe my channel, that is Amratpal Vision, so that you can see my 100 students who are studying in 100 different universities of the world. So Ramesh, congratulations.
Thank
First
you,
of
sir.
all, that you are here in Germany finally.
Just because of you.
Thank you. So today you have to tell our viewers and you have to, tell the ground reality of studying here in Germany in German thought program.
Okay, like most of the guys, you have doubts like studying in German and stuff. I have to choose the English taught program, but believe me, German taught program has so many advantages. First is you will definitely get a job, and if you learn your course in German, then you can easily communicate. Even if you are coming here for English taught program, at least learn till A2. Then it will be easy for you to communicate daily life.
Okay, so he has completed his A1 and A2 in India,
Yes.
and B1, B2, C1 here in Germany in German language school, and then he applied here in FAU Erlangen, and we have helped him to apply here. We have helped him to extend his visa also. We have also helped him to reopen the new block account because he was exhausted with the old block account. So these are the important things what we gave to our student. So you tell our students about your experience of studying in German thought program.
In German taught program, you have more opportunities. You will definitely get a job compared to any English taught program. And one more thing, I came here for mechatronics. My bachelor's background is mechanical. So sir suggested me, if you learn mechatronics in German taught program, it is beneficial for you. It might be hard learning language, but there are so many advantages. So it's worth, it's worth to try.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So whenever I meet the student, whenever I consult the student who want to come to Germany, first of all, I give them the option. Okay, you have two options, German thought and English thought program. And then I see their motivation, that how motivated they are to learn their German language and how motivated they are, to take the challenges to come to Germany to do their program in German thought. So there are two type of students who like to take challenges.
Yeah.
So yes, Ramesh took the challenge, and yes, now he is very happy that he got into German thought program because he has already completed his German language, that is C1 Hochschule. And now once he has once he have his degree in his hand, I am 100% sure that he will get his job, because we are going to help all our students who completed their program in English or in German. If they have good German language knowledge, and at least till B2, we will be definitely helping them for the job, because we are now getting into the MOU with several German recruiting firms who would like to recruit the students, international students who have German language B2. So we can assure you that you will 100% get the job once you have
Thank
your
you.
degree in your hands. So students, so this was our, one of the interview of doing your program here in German Thought program. Now Ramesh will also show you the campus of FAU Erlangen, and yes, meanwhile he will be also saying you of living here in Erlangen city and Nuremberg. He is living in Nuremberg, which is how much
Like,
kilometers?
it's like 15 minutes via or you can come here.
Okay, so
It's not a
15
big-
minutes train you can take from Erlangen to Nuremberg, because Nuremberg is a big city.
big city.
So he didn't like to stay here in Erlangen because he has completed his language in Berlin. So compared to Berlin, Erlangen is a small town. That's why he lives in Nuremberg. And also FAU Erlangen has two campuses. One is in Nuremberg and one is here in Erlangen. So Ramesh, what tips you would like to give to the students who are planning to come to Germany? Because as this video is a ground reality video, so I want you to suggest something to the students who would like to come to Germany.
Okay, like you have to keep two things in your mind. First, you have to learn language. Either you are coming for English taught program, German taught program, at least learn till A2. It's necessary. Second thing, don't get stuck in part-time things, because I have seen most of the students, they came here for the studies, then they got a job, they are working extra just because they think, okay, I'm earning enough money. I don't need to study, but don't get stuck. It will destroy your future. Don't get stuck. Keep in mind, you came here for the studies. You have invested your time and your money for studies. Complete it. After that, you can earn more. So keep that thing in your mind.
Okay. And how was your experience with us?
Uh, it's awesome. Like Amratpal Vision is not like other consultant. Like, okay, you went to Germany, now my work is over. I'm not gonna help you. It's not like that. Like after 3 years, I needed help. I got stuck in a situation. I just called him and he dropped everything for me. Within 2 days, he created my block account and he helped me personally. He helped me like a brother. So you can trust him anytime. You can call him anytime.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. So students who will be coming to FAU or students who will be coming to Germany, Ramesh will be always there to help you out, because we have a community of 100 students who are ready to help new students who are coming to Germany from Amratpal Vision. So guys, subscribe my channel, that is Amratpal Vision, because you are going to see 100 different students of the world in 100 different universities of the world where my students are studying, students of Amratpal Vision are studying. Subscribe my channel, that is Amratpal Vision. See you soon here in Germany. Bye-bye.